Good morning. It's Hiker Dude Dad and
Dr. Mom.
Must be a special occasion to get you out here in the woods. Any special holidays coming up lately?
St. Patrick's Day.
Yes. Yes, that's over a week from now.
Your birthday.
Oh,
it is
how
Hiker
about
Dude
that?
Dad's birthday.
Birthday hike here. We are at one of my favorite places that I can't believe I have never shared with this lady.
Yeah.
We are at Kelly's Run, Holtwood, PA. We're gonna go see some waterfalls. Hopefully, it's not really any snow melt to speak of this year.
It's true.
So I'm hoping the falls are charged up. Either way, it's a sunny day at least. It is bitter cold and windy.
Ugh.
Yeah, we're just a day or two here before my birthday, and we're gonna go have a hike together and see what we can find. So we started out going clockwise on the trail as I've done lately, and I know they're doing some improvements to the trail, but they kind of cleared out this overlook area so we could see the Susquehanna over there just below Holtwood Dam. I like how there's a hole in your hat just for your ponytail.
I know. And there's a hole in this hood for my ponytail too.
And the hood too?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Ponytail management going on there.
Oh, yeah. Thank you, Under Armour.
Yeah.
So, big birthday coming up.
It's an okay birthday. I mean, you know.
Yeah, I guess it's not a huge, it's not a milestone.
29th birthday isn't really special.
Plus a few.
Plus 20?
Yes, plus 20. I wasn't really going to say it, but yes,
49th birthday.
Yeah. What do you want for your birthday?
What do I want? I have everything I need.
Oh, that's really sweet.
Except subscribers. I could use some subscribers.
All right, let's get up to, what's a good goal? 670?
Sure.
All right.
675.
675.
Nice round number.
Let's get up to 675 subscribers within the next week.
70% of people that watch my videos are not subscribed.
Why the heck not?
I don't know. It's free.
It's easy. You click one button and then you get notifications about fun videos like this.
If you're watching videos and you like other videos on my channel, please like, please subscribe. It's free and you get more awesome videos with this, but hopefully without all the ads. So descending out of the meadow here will be, it's probably the steepest descent, a little bit slippery with the loose rock, but we will be near Holtwood Dam in just a second.
Water! Woo!
She loves water. Yeah, so there's a floating barrier, and then yeah, down here is not land, that's just debris behind the barrier. And the dam, you can see the edge there, you're getting that infinity pool effect where it just is nothing and then just you can see the white water below it. This is as good a view of the dam as I've seen here from Kelly's Run, actually, just on account of them cutting down a lot of stuff here. All this area here couldn't see past it, so I'm glad I assume the Conservancy or something has cleared out a lot of this dead stuff here. Maybe the clearing out up there wasn't on purpose. Maybe it was like a storm or something, because we got a lot of stuff here across Old Holtwood Road here. All right, so first timer at Kelly's Run. Told her she's gonna see all these waterfalls. Here it is.
Hope that isn't the waterfall we came for.
That's it. That's Kelly's Run.
Water!
Let's head back to the car. So this is a Stand By Me bridge that I've told you about, and I have walked across it. It's just metal beams. So we could probably cross here, or we can try the Stand By Me bridge.
Dr. Mom says we're going to cross it along nature's way. Nature's
random stone way?
Yes.
Okay, sounds good.
With your birthday coming up,
Yes?
it makes me think about a great Dr. Mom topic.
Excellent. Lay it on me.
So let's talk about screenings in your 40s. That's where we both are. So health maintenance. First of all, get a primary care doctor. If you don't have one, find one. They may save your life someday. It's important to have regular appointments. If you're healthy, like we are thankful to be, once a year, every other year, maybe all you need.
I just had a physical less than a month ago.
And I just had mine last week. But they may be able to catch something that, with appropriate treatment, can save your life. Next, health screenings. Things like for colon cancer, prostate cancer, breast cancer, cervical and uterine cancer. For both genders, colon cancer screenings. You had your colonoscopy already.
Yeah, a couple months ago I had a colonoscopy, and all the horror stories you hear about it, and uncomfortable this and all that, it was a breeze. The prep, they all often tell you, the stuff you have to drink beforehand and not eat for 24 hours, was actually fine. And I'll tell you what, I felt 10 pounds lighter, cleaned out, cleaned the pipes. I feel like doing that once a year just to clean everything out.
Yeah.
The procedure itself, 12 minutes I think I was under. That's all it took, in and out, literally. It was such an easy, quick procedure.
And there are other options
Yeah.
as well for screening that don't involve a colonoscopy. Talk with your doctor to see if you're an appropriate candidate for that.
Mammograms for the ladies.
I have mine scheduled again for another 2 months.
Yeah. It's worth it just to find something that you would never figure out until it's too late. So
Yeah,
this has been Dr. Mom with your Dr. Mom health moment. Thank you.
you're welcome. Videographer doing video. How does he do it? How does he get those incredible shots? Here's your behind the scenes look at Hyper Dude Dad.
still pretty spry for 49.
I'd say so.
No less than 9 levels of cascades in this one shot right here. The flow is really great today at Kelly's Run, and we don't even have any snow melt. This is crazy. I've been here where it's been much less. I've done a lot of videos at Kelly's Run, but this might be one of the best with the sun and this excellent flow today. I feel like the last couple of times I was here, there was a giant tree in front of these falls. But that seems to be gone, so they look spectacular now.
There's some bluebirds, a pair of them that were right in here, and then they flew away. Trying to see if they flew into the mountain laurel or what.
I don't think this is a trail.
Huh?
I don't think this is a trail.
No. There's no way.
Yeah. Yeah, we got to backtrack a little bit. I think the trail is actually on the other side, but I thought we could go up through Kelly's Run, but there's a part that's real deep. I call it the swimming hole up there, and I don't think we want to swim today.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Huckabee Dad. Happy birthday to you.
Are you singing?
Maybe. I'm so sorry for your subscribers.
I was just thinking how much I'm enjoying this birthday hike. Thank you for coming along. Thank all of you for coming along. This is fun. This is exactly what I needed. It's a beautiful day. It's supposed to, we're going to come tomorrow. It's supposed to rain all day tomorrow. So that would be miserable and ankle breaky out here. So.
And we'll be spending your birthday, your actual birthday, doing everything but celebrating with kid activities.
Everything for everybody else, right?
Yes, yes.
I'm actually going to somebody else's birthday party on my birthday.
But hey, that's life as a parent.
It is, it is. So, wouldn't change a thing. It's not about me anymore. Maybe next year for 50, but that.
Aw, happy
Just
birthday.
happy to be alive.
Enjoy the water?
Yep, we're almost to the top.
I was a whole lot of fun in Maine.
Oh my God. Yeah, in Maine, up in Acadia, driving along the coast, every 5 seconds, water! I know, hon. Water! It's beautiful, hon.
How about when we were on Monhegan Island?
Oh my God, surrounded by water. You didn't sleep all night, you just water.
And if you haven't heard of Monhegan Island, check out that video too. It's a great one.
She'll link it here.
Here.
There you go. One of my favorite places. Such a great birthday hike. I feel like we've seen 49 cascades so far with one to grow on.
Nope. Nope.
Nope. No hand?
No. But you're in my way.
Okay. Graceful.
Ish. Looks like a big butt crack.
That it does.
Get your colonoscopy.
I'm glad you reminded everybody before we got to the big butt crack to get their colonoscopies, yeah. Probably one of the last falls we'll see here before we start going up, so enjoy. All right, well, we're out of the woods here. Pretty much done. Car's right over the hill here, so thanks for coming along on my birthday hike. This was fun. Thank you for coming.
You're welcome.
2 hikes with you in a month.
I know.
Less than a month. Crazy. So anyway, thanks for watching.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Stay tuned for the next adventure and we'll see you out there.
That's like in a rock. Oh my god. All right. Were you recording that? Because that's awesome.
Yeah, very much.
My struggle with the sign.